Hello there, beautiful person. Thank you so much for clicking on my video today. Welcome to my channel. My name is Stephanie. Thank you so much for bringing your amazingness here to my channel. So for today's video, I actually have my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing that I wanted to share with you guys. I know it's really late. Like, it really is late. Like, I don't know what happened, but like my bag literally came like last week of the month. That's never happened to me before, so it is up super late. And I know these videos don't really get as many views, but I really personally enjoy making them, so that's why we're here. It is a little late, so thought I would share anyway. So this is the bag. This is what it looks like. It's kind of like a tropical bag, I guess. Maybe they were trying to do like plants or cacti or something. I don't know. And it kind of has like little kisses on it. I don't know. It's kind of cute. So this is the Glam Bag Plus. So it's a little drawstring bag. I am signed up for the Khloe Kardashian Glam Bag X next month. So I'm really excited about that. So hopefully I get that a lot sooner so I can share with you guys. So let's go into the actual bag. So the first thing that's in here is the little card. So force of nature, I guess that's what they were trying to go for. So whether you love your naked face or feel naked without your red lipstick, do what feels natural to you. When confidence is the first step in your routine, you can't be stopped. And then it has like this little card of information, like what to eat. So eat your way to like healthy glowing skin. So what to eat in order to kind of help your skin. So I thought that's really helpful. And then over here, you know, it is promoting the Glam Bag X times Khloe. So that is something, like I said, that I'm going to be getting in May. So super excited about that. So the first thing that is in here is this Renew Scalp Therapy. So this is an exfoliate. So this is the brand Neuma. So it's a Gommage de Cuir Chevelu exfoliator para el cuero cabelludo. So yeah, I guess this is like a scalp sort of treatment, so like a scalp exfoliator, probably to promote hair growth. So a gentle scalp exfoliator removes buildup and residue to refresh, restore, and revitalize the scalp. I've never tried anything like this. This is cruelty-free, soy-free, vegan, gluten-free. So I've never tried anything like that. So very excited to see what we're working with here. But the thing is, I'm always a little hesitant. It smells fresh, kind of minty. I'm always hesitant to try stuff like this because I do have a really sensitive scalp. Like, I can only use certain like shampoos and conditioners. So we'll see how that goes. The next thing that is in here is this Shina Miami brushes. So these are eye brushes, as you guys can see. So there's 5 of them in there. So I did get brushes last month too, I believe. Okay, these don't smell like paint. So I don't even like them. I'm totally joking. It's because the last ones that I had smell like paint. Now these don't smell like paint, but they are really pretty. They look very modern, very sharp, as you guys can see, like very classy. So they have like this brush, which is the blending brush. They have the concealer brush. They have the eye crease brush. They have the shadow brush. And then they have the smudge brush. So basically everything you need for an eye look. So we got those. Okay, next item that I have here, this is the Misho Beauty Nail Lacquer. So this is in the color, Luxe Lacquer. Oh, isn't it not in a color? I don't know, I guess it's not. I thought that was the color, but it's not. It's just Luxe Lacquer. So these are 10-free, non-toxic, chip-resistant formula, cruelty-free, vegan-friendly. I'm always about that, about the cruelty-free stuff. I actually need to do my nails, so I'm very happy that I got this. Usually I was always really bummed out when I got nail polish because it was always purple, and I do not like the color purple very much. But these are super cute. So we have this cute little bottle here. It's like a light pink, and then we have this one, which is like a red orangey color. So I think I'm gonna do the same thing that I did with my nails, but like I'll go like every other and like try this out, and I'll let you guys know if it is chip proof because my nails chip really easily. So I love this, and I love like the bottle. Looks really cute, really dainty. Like you could probably put it on your vanity and make it look super cute. So I'm all about that. So I'm very excited to have received these. I'm actually really excited about this next product. This is the Lauren Conrad, the lip gloss. So I love Lauren Conrad, like ever since she came on The Hills and Laguna Beach, I think it was. I've just loved her, and she's just amazing. And like I love Lauren Conrad, and like her Elsie collection at Kohl's. Like I just love her. She's amazing. So she came out with the beauty line, and I've been wanting to try it. I just haven't because I'm like, Stephanie, do you really need more makeup. Like in my mind, it's like, yes, you do, but like realistically speaking, no, I don't. So I was actually gonna buy this last time I was at Kohl's. This is in the color Dawn, by the way, and I was gonna buy this exact same color, so I'm so happy that I received it. So now I get to try a little bit, and if I like it, then maybe I'll convince myself to like buy it, you know, take the plunge, buy more makeup, convince yourself. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this out. Okay, last thing that is in here is this mascara. So this is the Victoria Beckham Future Lash Smudge Free Lifting Mascara. We will see if that's true. A lot of my mascaras lately have been smudging, and you know, that's not a cute look. It's not a cute look, right? So hopefully this works. We'll see. I love how thick this is, and it feels high quality, like the packaging. So we will see. Let's look at the brush. Oh, it was so disappointing. It's so little. Look, it's so little. I feel like this is perfect for like your bottom lashes. I don't know though. Let's not be judgmental though. This might be like the best mascara I've ever tried. So we'll go ahead and try it. I usually like mascaras with a bigger brush, so we will see. Maybe that's what helps it not be like smudge proof, you know? So we will see. We will see about that. Okay, you guys, that is it for my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing. I feel like my favorite products are for sure the nail polish and the lip balm. I mean the lip balm, the lip gloss. I feel like those two are my favorites. I'm really excited to have more brushes because brushes are always a plus. I'm excited to try out the mascara as well because it says it's smudge proof and it looks like it would be really good, but we will see because like I said, it kind of had a little like applicator and I prefer a bigger one. So the thing I'm probably not so excited about is the scalp exfoliator. I feel like everything else is really good. So I feel like overall this was a really good bag. So I really do hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumb up. If you guys would like to keep watching more videos by me because you enjoyed me, please consider hitting the subscribe button down below. I would love to have you and your amazingness here on my channel. Let's be friends. Let's talk fashion. Let's talk makeup. Let's talk life. So I do hope that I get to see you in my next one. Bye, beautiful person.
The way my lips feel